on the one hand, the original purpose why we have freedom of information is because, you know, we really need an informed citizenry, but we also have citizens there to act as watchdog. For example, the case in the Bell, California controversy, you know, citizens got hold of those records first and were pissed off about that first, and then they went to the Los Angeles Times. The Los Angeles Times won a Pulitzer. Big news-gathering institutions do not have the investigative teams that they used to have. You know, they just can't afford to have a group of people sitting over in the corner for 6 months writing some big, massive investigation. That's just not going to cut it in today's economy. So they're more and more dependent on somebody being able to, you know, yank their chain, so to speak, and say, you won't believe what's going on in my town, and you need to come down here, and we've already got the records, and here's what you need to look at.